Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide and a tutorial on how to change your voice in ElevenLabs. So first, you will have to make sure that you're already logged into your ElevenLabs account, and now you will just have to go to the speech synthesis tab or text to speech, which you can find on your left sidebar, and just click on that. And once you're here, you will just have to click on your existing voice, just double click it, and then now you will have to choose from this list of built-in voices of your custom voices. Then after that, you will just have to click on a voice, and you will have to preview it. Then after that, you will have to paste or upload your script here, and you can just type in whatever you want. And after that, after you've already uploaded or pasted your script, you will just have to click this button right here, which is generate speech or regenerate, and then the output will use your selected voice. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.